So this is our new fueling station for our little Kubota tractor. I bought it at Canadian Tire for $119 yesterday, and so far it's even better than I thought it would be. I've got it on a 4-to-1 block and tackle, and it holds 14 gallons. I've got 12 in there, and it's easy to pull up. That little nozzle is great, shuts off right away, doesn't drip. Nice valve up here. It's built like an outboard motor tank, nice and tough. Good quality valve. You can shut it off at the tank and at the hose. There's 2 little valves there. There's a little safety switch. You can see it behind the handle. It's a little bit of a pain. Some people cut it off. I won't just yet, but I'm really happy with this thing. And I don't even have to move the tractor. It's got a 10-foot hose. So, all good.